Hello, I'm cleaning once again. I thought it would only be right to do a full dedicated clean to catch up on previous videos, and to see how well my shoulder can cope. But there is also an announcement in this video, so keep watching for that. If you can't be bothered, I don't blame you, I'll leave a timestamp in the description. But let's get to litter picking. I haven't shown it on this channel yet because I didn't think it was, biggest news in the world, and I didn't really kind of realise the sort of timescale of when it was going to get built. But I knew the new skate park was coming on Heath Grove Park, and it's here now. And I thought this would save a lot of my time cleaning underneath, and exactly that is what has happened. There's nowhere that they can hide their rubbish now. There's nowhere they can do other things that they shouldn't have been able to, because there's no way you can get underneath any of it. So in that terms, I think the skate park is very successful. I'm not too sure why it's all raised though. This seems weird to me, because the one at Fairfield is not all raised. I have to step up to get onto it. I don't know, it's a bit odd to me. But yeah, I think this is an improvement. I don't know what the skaters think. I'd like to know what they think. Does that say no graffiti in graffiti? Okay. Spoon. So daft. I'm almost done with this park. Right. Number one. Right, so we now have found someone's Red Bull stash. We're going to head towards Ashwood Dale. Right, well this is going to make it harder. I've filled the wheelbarrow before I've even gotten on the road. Just at Morris's roundabout. See how this goes. Correct me if I'm wrong, but that is supposed to be on top of an alcohol bottle, and they take it off when you buy said product. I think people stole from Morrison's, but here we go. So the plan now is to empty this. That's barrow number 2. Then you go back up on and do the road, and then do the orchard down at the bottom. not even built yet. Ooh, this camera gets condensated as well. Right, I'm stopping this. Oh my god, I've been recording for 25 minutes. I'll empty this, but I'll have to walk past where I want to clean up next in order to empty it. But I'll keep doing this road until it's finished. Right, so that announcement. Well, I have so many wonderful people who are subscribed to me. I get amazing engagement with likes and comments, and some people go beyond and donate. And I want to say a big thank you to Summer the Clown and Laura once again for your recent donations on YouTube. However, I found that YouTube take between 30 and 40% of those donations for themselves. And when you guys are donating to support me, YouTube taking such a cut seems a bit daft. So that's why I have made a page on a thing called Ko-fi. K-O-F-I. It's a donation platform like the more well-known Patreon, but Ko-fi only takes 5%. And on there I can offer you guys more behind the scenes stuff on everything that I do, and I'm going to leave it for one-time donations or tips, or you could pay monthly. It is totally up to you and there's no pressure to do so. I'm also going to keep supers running on YouTube as it might be easier for some of you, but those who want their donations to go further in future, then Ko-fi is the place. Of course, I'll be leaving a link down below and my channel page going forward. But let's see how I've been getting on in the orchard, shall we? Well, yeah, I forgot to actually film me saying I've done it, but yes, I cleaned the orchard and we're moving on now. It's just disgusting, isn't it? I did overhear somebody as they got out of the car in Southern Car Park over there, he littered something, I can't remember what it was, and his girlfriend told him off for it, and he literally turned to her and went, yeah, but look at this place. And I think that sums quite a lot up about Buxton at the moment. Wheelbarrow number 4 completed. Go along the top of Ashwood and come down with it, and then come along the bottom after. There we go, right, that is one direction done. Now I have to go down on what is now the left hand side of this road. It's just all bottles and cans. It's really weird how much the waste differs from the road to the park. Right, we are practically done with barrow number 5. So I'm going to go over to Sylvan Car Park, put it in a bin, and then empty the car park and empty Iceland next door, and that's probably going to be a wheelbarrow in itself. Just been cleaning up the banks of the coach and lorry park section. The only little bit of Sylvan Park left. And then there's all of that along the side of the cars, so we'll see if we can get as much as possible But yeah, there's a lot. I picked up so much from the car park, I've decided to bin it. Technically it's barrow safe. It's classic for Iceland to have all this rubbish along the side of the trolley wall. I don't know why. It's always the same. Rightio, that is it. And that is it. This is my Strava map of what I did on the day, and I did 6.5 wheelbarrows full of rubbish. Not too bad. Thank you very much for watching. Hope you enjoy your week, whatever you get up to. And until next time, ta-ra.